Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got another Advent calendar to share with you, and this is Rituals. The Ritual of Advent Countdown to Christmas Diorama Advent Calendar. It says 24 new products every day, a little gift, including lights. I bought this on the Next website the same time as I bought the Next Advent Calendar, and I get free next day delivery, so it made sense to buy it there. On Next, they only have this one, but Rituals have come out with 3 Advent calendars, as they normally do. I absolutely adore Rituals. I just love so many of their products, and my daughter does as well. So I've gone for the middle of the range one. It costs £138. It has a value of £185. I'll pop a link to this one from the Next website down below in my description, but then I'll also pop a link to the Rituals website where you can have a look at all 3 of them. And because Rituals ship internationally, that might appeal more to you, so I'll pop those links down there as well. But every year I get a Rituals Advent calendar, and for the last couple of years Rituals have kindly sent me one of their calendars as well. So yeah, if they do send me another Advent calendar this year, then you'll definitely be seeing it. There's something so special about their Advent calendars. Yes, I know it's to do with the lights and the fact that it's like a gorgeous Christmassy decoration, but yeah, I love the products as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to be doing. It says open here to set up the lights. Okay, maybe I should have a look online. I really don't understand how this one works. There is a scene going on with lighting. Does the lights go in there? Okay, there's a video. See? Oh, I can just smell. There's a battery little case there, and then you've got strip lighting, and there is a little video on the Rituals website, and it shows you then where to stick all the lights and things. So that would go on top like this, and then it illuminate all this up. Yeah. At the end of the video, you'll get to see what it looks like. I'm going to attempt to do it. Normally, I'm not very good with setting up ritual calendar lighting. They're little villages that they've had previous years. Oh, they're so beautiful, but I do need help. Day number 1 is scent booster and softener in one. I like these. And it's got extra information here. You're sensational. Treat your laundry to the ultimate fragrance experience with our scent boosters and fabric softener in one. I love these. They just smell amazing. This is one of my favourite scents, the Ritual of Sakura. Ah, cherry blossom. Why am I doing that? I'm so sorry. Yeah, have a sniff. It is so nice. I do really like them, and it just smells so lovely. So I keep these for bedding. I'm not using them on daily towels. No, 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 no. Day number 2. I like the ease of getting these products out actually for a YouTube unboxing, because it's literally, I just have to open up the little sides there. This is a mini candle private collection hibiscus dream. We always get little candles like this. They are scented really, really beautifully, but because they're quite small, if you were to light this in a massive room, you're not likely to smell it. So I always put them in the hallway downstairs. Yes, nice. Hibiscus Dream. Day number 3. Around the back here. The Ritual of Sakura Recovery Hand Balm. I love a hand balm. Transform dry hands to silky soft skin with this nourishing hand balm. Their hand balms are gorgeous. Really, really nice. Oh, and I love the smell as well. Let's put a load on there. Look. It is so nice. I had a Ritual of Jing. Was it last year? Maybe. And I had it up by the side of the bed there as well. Oh, it just feels amazing, and it smells amazing. This bedroom is going to smell gorgeous afterwards. Yeah, love that. Okay, day number 4. Driving home for Christmas. Enjoy every moment in your journey with a clean and cozy car. Oh, luxury car wipes. Wow, that's a handy thing, I suppose. I wonder if they're good at dust. My car is not really that dirty, but it does get dusty. I bought a Ritual of Sakura car fragrance where you clip onto like the vents, and it's nice. Even bought some for my dad as well in the Ritual of Karma or Jing, I can't remember now. So no, that's a handy thing to have. I'm definitely going to pop that in my car. I love the scent, so yeah, it'd be nice to freshen up the car. Day number 5 over here. This is new. Advent Mini Candle, Soulful Collection, Gratitude. Fill the room with comforting notes of peach, lavender and vanilla. Oh, that smells so nice as well. Oh, that would make amazing fabric softener. It does smell so nice and fresh. Yeah, I like that. Oh, that is amazing. Gratitude, is that what it's called? The Soulful Collection. I like that. I like that a lot. I would love that in room sprays, reed diffusers and fabric softener. I'm going to have a look on their website to see if they do them. Day number 6. The Ritual of Ayurveda, and this is a scrub glove. Massage your skin in circular movements for new levels of softness. Yeah, we always get one of these in their advent calendars. Yeah, exfoliation in the shower there. Day number 7, turn around here. This is a big one. The Ritual of Sakura shower foam. And it says, have the ultimate self-care shower with this cherry blossom shower foam. There's 50 mils there. A little goes a long way. I'm not going to do it, but you just do a little tiny squirt and a load of foam comes out. So it does last really, really well. And yeah, obviously it smells nice. If you love cherry blossom, that is, then you will love that. Day number 8. I'm glad that this is this size and not one massive one. Or else I'd have to have a bigger table. I'd have to film somewhere else. Okay, the Ritual... Oh, I love Karma. Ritual of Karma Shimmering Body Oil. Got a little one here. It says, reveal your inner sparkle with a Ritual of Karma Shimmering Body Oil. There is 30 mils there. I'll give you a show. Right, you need to shake it. But it smells amazing. Does it say what Ritual of Karma is? No, I can't remember what it is. I just know I love it. I've just had a look online. And Ritual of Karma, white tea, lotus flower, bright bergamot, soft lemon, lotus, orange flower and lilac and musk. Yeah, it's a nice one. Okay, day number 9. The Ritual of Sakura natural deodorant spray. No aluminium salt. It's natural, prebiotic and cherry blossom. Yeah, I'm sure I haven't had this before. It says 30 mils there. Okay, day number 10. Here. The Ritual of Sakura Body Lotion Mousse. And it is 50 mils here. Well, so far, if you're a huge fan of Ritual of Sakura, then this advent calendar is going to be for you, isn't it? You've got the lot. Body lotion mousse is really nice as well. Day number 11 down here. Advent Mini Candle, Private Collection, Cashmere Rose. No, I don't like rose. Really don't like English rose type scents. Yeah, it's not too bad. I would burn this one. It's quite subtle rose scent. Day number 12. New Intuition Foaming Shower Gel, A Little Winter Magic. Discover our exciting latest limited edition with warming sandalwood and vanilla. Oh wow, it's a massive one. It's a huge one. This is a velvety foaming shower gel and there's 200 mils here. Intuita. Maybe that's what I saw then as a new release on their website. This is ridiculous. It really foams up so much. Oh, I just realised there's a big snake on the front there. I've got a huge snake phobia. That's disgusting. That is horrible. It smells gorgeous. It does smell really, really nice. Why little snake on the front? Look, look. See? It's fine. I'm being dramatic. But no, I like that. I really do like the scent of that. Day number 13. The Ritual of Sakura Shampoo and Body Bar. Oh, it's a little one. Look how gorgeous this is. This is so cute. Teeny tiny little soap. And because it's in a little packet like this, I find it really hard to open up. Yeah, I'm weird. I know, but it's just something about soaps in particularly paper packaging that I just find absolutely adorable. Right, day number 14. Royal Tea Hand Balm. Pamper your skin with this softening balm featuring a delightful fresh fragrance. Ooh, look. That's very nice. I wonder if we'll have a Royal Tea hand wash We usually get a duo in an advent calendar to put in the bathroom. You can smell the tea, but it's quite subtle, but really nice refreshing smell. Yeah, I like that. I'd be happy if we have a hand wash to match it. We might not, but I'm just thinking about previous years. I don't think there's anything I don't like so far. Is there? Day number 15. The Ritual of Ayurveda Hair and Body Mist. Now this is lovely as well. This is rose, but it's Indian rose. I like Indian rose. And sweet almond oil. There's 20 mils here. To be honest, there's not many ranges from Rituals that I don't like. Just maybe not the really strong, heavy, smoky, spicy type ones, you know? Tobacco-y smelling ones. Yeah, that's lovely. So we've got a hair and body mist. I think that's the first time we've seen Ritual of Ayurveda. I think so. Day number 16. Oops. The Ritual of Sakura hair and body mist. It's exactly the same, but in the Advent Calendar favourite Ritual of Sakura, which is rice blossoms. No, cherry blossoms, I mean. Day number 17. The Ritual of Sakura Parfum d'Intérieur. So we've got here 50 mils. Yeah, they're nice. It's a room spray. What does it say about it? Fill the room with a renewing scent of cherry blossom with just one spritz. Yeah, definitely be used. Day number 18. The Royalty hand wash. I knew it. And we've got 110 mils there as well. I love a duo for the bathroom. Yeah, it smells lovely. It's not heavily scented at all. It's a really nice sort of neutral smelling. Well, am I doing it? I've just smelt it. So one everyone will like, no doubt. Okay, number 19. Where are you? Over here. The Ritual of Ayurveda shower oil. Oh, we got a larger one. We normally get little teeny tiny ones in beauty boxes. So this is the ultra nourishing shower oil, sweet almond oil and Indian rose. And there's 75 mils there. I can't remember actually what this is like in the shower. Some shower oils you have to be really, really careful. You don't want to be slipping on your ass. Day number 20, Ritual of Sakura body cream. And we've got 70 mils there. So we've literally got the whole set, haven't we? I wonder what else is there. Hold on, reed diffusers, car fragrance. Yeah, there is a load of products. Yeah, we won't get them all in Advent Calendar, but yeah, Magic Touch body cream. And I've tried that many, many times. It was a beauty box favourite. 21. This is new, Advent mini candle, Soulful Collection, Love. Ooh. Light up this candle and enjoy the floral musky scent of patchouli and raspberry. Oh, again, that's so nice. Just smells like a really gorgeous room spray. Perfect for a candle. But oh, that is so nice. Yeah, what is it? Raspberry and patchouli. I am loving these candles. Yeah, that's lovely. 21, I need 22 now. Usually the more expensive Advent Calendar has full-size products in it, which is exciting. Yeah, we got the Ritual of Ayurveda mini fragrance sticks. So they come in this size and I think they retail for about £16 to £18, and then you can get the full size ones then, which are, oh, I don't know, about 30? I can't remember now. They smell amazing, as you'd expect. So Ritual of Ayurveda, that is Indian rose and something. I should know all this. 23 down here. New Luxury Hair Care Hydrating Shampoo. This is for dry and dull hair, Hyaluronic Strength Complex. Luxury Hair Care. And there's 70 mils there. That's a really good size as well. Shampoo to delicately hydrate, dry and dull use. Let's have a sniff. What's this smell of? It's just really nice and fresh. Exactly what you want in a shampoo, basically. I love that. Let's see if we get a conditioner. Day number 24. Is it a 25-day Advent Calendar? Or is it 24? It's 24, so this is the last one. And it is. It's the conditioner. Oh, that's good. I like that. So you've got a shampoo and a conditioner there. in the gorgeous scent, whatever it may be. It just smells like an old shampoo that I might have used years ago. And there you go, those are all the products inside the Rituals 2025 middle range advent calendar, the Diorama Advent Calendar. It retails for 138 and it has a value of 196, I think it is. I'll go downstairs, grab some batteries and show you what it looks like all lit up. I love Ritual of Sakura, so that's a bonus because there seems to be Ritual of Sakura overload in this advent calendar. So if you love it, great. If you don't, well, it's not a calendar for you. So yeah, let me go and sort this out and then I'll be back. Okay, I know I'm not the best at doing these. I think I've done it right, but I can't really tell a difference. I'll just show you. So maybe it needs pitch black, pitch darkness in here. Can you see? There's little lights at the top there. I followed the video, but they don't illuminate the happy holidays. There, not at all. Let's turn off all the lights. So no lights at all in my bedroom. It's not completely dark, but hopefully you can see there. So yeah, it does light up, but very, very subtly. Maybe it'll look nicer in pitch darkness. But yeah, if you do get one of these, let me know what yours looks like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.